We back. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. So if you didn't see part 1, go check that video out right now. Part 1, Lovely Wholesale Spring collection. I'm so excited. The video was so long and I had so many pieces, we had to do 2 parts. So that was part 1. That was all dresses, ankle, knee length, mid-calf, you know, for all the short girls that want to look tall. Perfect video for that. Make sure you go check that out. Fellas, if you're looking for some good spring summer dresses for your girl, go check that out on there. But we are back. It is part 2. Listen, your girl was out here trying to look as good as a 2-piece in a biscuit, you know what I'm saying? So what I did, I ordered all 2-piece sets. Yes! So listen, this new video, this is second part, this is part 2. It's gonna be all 2-piece sets. Y'all know your girl loves a good 2-piece set because, you know, hide the curves, accentuate the waist. Y'all know how I do. So we're gonna get right into it with this first one. As you can see, that I have on. I love this. And then also too, just, you know, in case, you know, I wanna show a little bit more. This is the Lovely Sportswear Patchwork Drawstring Red 2-piece pant set. This is super cute. I love 2 pieces that I can rock with heels, with flip-flops / sandals, or a good pair of sneaks. This definitely embodies that. The material is very, very light. It's not super thick, so it's gonna keep you nice and cool. As you can see how I zipped up and zipped down, you can either keep it like this, or you can zip it up and be a little bit more covered up. Or, you know, if you want to have it all the way down and, you know, have all, you know, you want to accentuate the girls a little bit, you can do that too. You can zip it up. Love a good 2-piece, you guys. You guys know how I am about covering up this, accentuate this, cinch it in. 2 pieces are amazing for that. If you are the type where you have like me, where you have like the little, you know how we be having this little fupa going on? Boom, girl, 2-piece. Fupa gone. Because this draws attention away. This draws attention away from the fupa. Super cute. This, oh, how I was talking about in the last video, so you know how I was talking about the sizes, guys. This is a large. So, as I talked about in the last one, do not go by your sizes of what you would think that you are in US sizes. You cannot do that. You have to go by the Asian sizes that they have. So follow with your measurements. So based off of my measurements, this was a large. As you know from my Lovely Wholesale, not the last one, because that's part 1 of this. The one before that, I had some issues with some of the stuff because I ordered the wrong sizes, not even thinking. In this description box is also going to be a video linked of how to do your sizes. But if you like me and you love a good 2-piece, this one is in a large, and I love it. What is it? Lady in red. Listen, honey, 2-piece, check. Pink, check. What? Do y'all see these details? Do y'all see these details? Oh goodness. Love it. So, this one is the Lovely Casual Square Collar Bandage Dark Pink 2-piece skirt set. This is in a large. Normally in something like this, I would probably get a medium, so the shirt would fit, right? I would always have to worry about the top like being too big if I got a large, and the bottom, you know, but this is in a large, and I love it. The top is very square, so like the type of bra that I have on, where it's kind of close, make sure that you're either wearing a strapless bra or a bra that has wide set straps out to the side, like this. That way your straps don't show. Make sure that you're not wearing like a kind of like a t-shirt bra, kind of what I have on. But if you look at this, this is amazing. I love this. I love the color. It's a dark pink, but it's almost like a coral a little bit. I know the light's kind of not doing it justice, but it's like a pinkish coral, and I love it. Slow turn for you guys so you guys can see here. I love the detailing on this. I love this. If you know, remember from part 1, had the black that had the lace ups on both sides, and I had to lace it up. With this, did not have to lace up. It came laced up. I love this in the front. I love that it's like detail at the bottom, but then just a plain top. The material, really lightweight. Again, great for springtime. This is great for, you can go daytime depending on where you're going, but it's really more of like a nighttime vibe. It's a 2-piece, like I said, real cute. Pair it with some clear heels or some diamond heels. Cute little bag. I definitely wouldn't do a big bag with this. I would definitely do like a small little cute bag or even a clutch. But yes, let's get into it. I love this. Honey, listen, date nights for spring. They about to be on it popping, you know what I'm saying? Even if I gotta go by myself. Listen, your girl's about to be out in these streets, okay? Atlanta, your girl's about to be out in these streets. Y'all know how I travel. I'm about to be going places just so I can wear a cute little outfit and keep it moving. Hey. Damn. Y'all, listen. Y'all ain't fucking with it. Like, let's just be clear. Y'all, the looks that are about to come through, honey. Do you see this? We got the hood action going on. What? Listen, don't play with me. I'm not the one to be played with. Don't play with me. This is the lovely sportswear hooded collar patchwork cameo brown 2-piece pant set. Listen, just like in that last one, how I told y'all, I need something that I can wear with heels. Listen, honey, the heels are gone. I can have some cute little sneaks with this, wear some cute little sandals. The material on this, again, super lightweight. Has a zip up. You can zip it down as far as you want to, or you can have it zipped up as high as you want to. I'm gonna do like a little half zip. It's hooded. Listen, honey, I love this design. Love the design. 360 for you guys. Love the design. Again, cover it up. Accentuate the waist. Y'all know how I am. So yes, love this. This is great. This is daytime. I can run errands in this, sneaks, sandals, whatever. Or I could throw on some heels with this and I could wear this to brunch. I could wear this to brunch. I could wear this out for a cute little lunch date. Listen. Y'all just don't understand how these looks about to come through. I'm going on some dates, y'all. March, April, first quarter, second quarter, let's go. Okay, guys, so I actually have to hold this, and that is because I need double stick tape and I cannot find mine. This definitely shows your cleavage. Definitely requires double stick tape for this one. So this is the lovely sexy print hollow out gold 2-piece pant set. I love this. I will insert a picture of the model. And then once I insert that picture, you'll know why I'm like holding right here. Definitely requires double stick tape. Love it though. I love the print. You know you girl, you know me. I love a good two-piece. Gotta accentuate this waist. I actually don't mind that it's like a lot of cleavage showing, as long as I have like a really secure double stick tape, or if for the girls who do the taping up, definitely have to tape in this, but it's super cute. Come in for a close so you guys can see the whole outfit. I love this print, honey. This is definitely giving me like club vibes. So like spring, when you're a girl, you know, going out to like lounges and stuff, want to be in the club. This is definitely giving those vibes. I love the material. It's super, super soft. It is super duper 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 soft. Love how it's form fitted. This is a large. Again, how I was telling you guys with the sizes, make sure that you're going by your sizes. This is a large. In the medium, and I know you guys are thinking, oh, if you got a medium, then it would fit. No, a medium would actually not fit, because this top is fitting me as tight as it can on the sleeves and everything. It's just that, again, when I insert the picture of the model, you saw. Yeah, definitely requires double stick tape. Let me see if it'll hold. No, it won't hold. Definitely requires double stick tape, but super duper cute. Y'all ain't about to get me a freaking demonetized out here on YouTube. Okay. What? Y'all, I love this print. The light is actually not doing this justice, right? So it's actually a little bit more dark and like toned down than what the light is giving. My light is up pretty high, so that's why. This one, guys, is the lovely, trendy, turn down collar print multicolored two-piece pant set. I saw this and I fell in love with this. I literally was like, this is date night, this is date time, this is brunch, this is anywhere. So, as you know, I'll insert a picture of the model. This is a large. Fits perfectly here. Fits perfectly here. I am going to have to get a safety pin to buckle right here though. Once I get that safety pin, I'm good, just because I'm not, you know, captain of the itty bitty titty committee over here.
Itty bitty titty committee.
You know, like, so I'm gonna have to get a safety pin to go right here, and then we're good. This doesn't have any kind of zips or anything. It's just a complete wraparound, and then it ties in the front. So if I get me a safety pin right here, right where my bra is, I'm good. But yes, 3/4 sleeves, very nice, super soft material. Again, super lightweight. I'll do a 360 for you guys. Yes, so again, go by the measurements that you have and buy the items based off of that. Like I said, this is a large, and literally just because it's so low and because I would prefer to wear a bra, just get a little safety pin right there and we're good to go. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. This is great for springtime. This is I couldn't wear tennis shoes with this just because it's a little bit too dressy, but I definitely could get rid of the heels and wear like some cute sandals with this and be like a little bit more comfortable. Listen, honey. Comment section. Let me know what you guys think. You guys gonna order this? Description code is gonna be, not description code, my discount code is gonna be in the description box. SPMUR10. It's gonna give you 10% off over everything over $39 for the entire month of March. Listen, honey, y'all better not beat this sale, because I know I did, and I'm super excited that I got all of these just in time for spring. You need some good springtime looks. Use that code. As we all know, $40. $40.
I let it go for about $40.
$40.
Look, man.
Can go a long way on Lovely Wholesale, okay? Okay. Okay. All right, y'all, this is the last one, and this was my favorite one out of my whole order. I was like, I cannot wait. When I saw this on the model, I was like, oh, it's so cute. Super springtimey, lunch, brunch. You know, I could wear this to like a showing with a client. It's very casual, very sleek. Love it. It is a two-piece, but on me, like, it doesn't really show any midriff. I'll insert a picture of the model so you can see it on her. Again, my same old problem that I always have up here. So it's a little bit looser than it would be. I think if I wear a half bra that's padded, that'll give me the what I'm looking for there. But for the most part, it still fits actually really good. It's just kind of loose here, and that's just because your girl, I don't got no cleavage. It does have adjustable straps, so that's always good for TEAMI. This is the Lovely Sexy Spaghetti Strap Grid Print Blue two-piece short set in batch grid print. Again, I love this. This is my favorite one out of the bunch. That's why I saved it for last. You know, I always try to save the best for last, you guys. Like I said, it has the spaghetti straps to adjust. I'll come in so you guys can see. I love this. I love the print. It's very summertime, very springtimey, super thin material, so it's gonna keep you nice and cool. The pants legs on this are actually like boot cut, so they go like over, so you can wear like clear heels. You could wear like really strappy shoes. They go really long, and I'm 5'4", so like with heels on, and I have on about a 5-6 inch heel. They go like right above like mid-length there. If I take my shoes off, let's say I want to wear sandals with it, it's to the floor. So I love that. Again, things that make you look taller than what you are. That's what I like. But yes. Love this, love this, love this. Again, I could either have this taken in or just wear like a super padded bra, you know what I'm saying? Give me a little bit more up top, a half bra. Savage X Fenty, you know what I'm saying? If you hear me, like, listen, I heard you guys' half bras are the truth. Listen, send me one, okay? But yeah. So you guys can see, this is just that extra that I was talking about. But again, that's just because, again, I don't have any cleavage, but I also don't have on a half bra. If I had on a half bra, I would bring this up a little bit more. But yes, I love this. Brunch, lunch, everything. I'm in there with this. So that is it for part 2, guys. We are done. We made it to the end. 12 different outfits. Lovely Wholesale came through. They were not playing this time. I'm so excited. I ordered so much stuff. I'm gonna keep ordering more and more stuff. You guys are gonna see more and more try on hauls. Listen, discount code in the description box, SPMUR10. You saw on part 1. All the information is in part 1. It's gonna be in part 2. You saw the different looks. Ladies, listen. We gotta get into these looks, honey. And it's on a budget. Shipping, super quick. Anything over $59, you get free accessories. They're doing free shipping if you order on the weekend, Friday through Saturday, for the entire month of March. You cannot beat these deals. Listen. Let me go. Find me somebody to go on a date with so I can wear these outfits. Cause springtime is hot, honey. We out in these streets. Bye.